Hello everyone. Let's start new topic from the chapter absorption by roots. Absorption and conduction of water and minerals. To understand the absorption of water and minerals, let us first learn the meaning of the following terms: imbibition, diffusion, osmosis, turgidity, plasmolysis, active transport and passive transport. Let's start with imbibition. Imbibition is the phenomena by which the living or dead plant cells absorb water by surface attraction. Imbibition is a phenomena by which the living or dead plant cells absorb water by surface attraction. In other words, we can say that imbibition is also a kind of diffusion or the adsorption of water by hydrophilic compounds is called imbibition. The adsorption of water by hydrophilic compounds. Hydrophilic compounds means substance which are made up of cellulose or proteins are hydrophilic. Clear, children? The substances which are made up of cellulose or proteins are hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means strong affinity for water, means substance which love water. So the adsorption of water by hydrophilic compounds is called imbibition. Due to imbibition, these compounds show swelling. It is a common observation that during rainy season, in this season you can observe, rainy season is going on, that wooden doors and windows imbibe water and swell. Students, in front of you there is a table which is swollen due to absorption of water. In same manner, dry seeds also absorb maximum water. Because of that, the seedlings come out. The pressure which is generated inside the seed by the absorption of water, due to which seedlings come out. If there will be no pressure inside the seed, then seedling cannot come out of the soil. Due to imbibitional pressure only, seed coat ruptures in case of germinating seeds. Similarly, as we know that imbibition is a kind of diffusion, therefore there should be a water potential gradient. What is water potential gradient? It refers to the difference in water potential between two. Is it clear, children? So, presence of water potential gradient is very necessary for the purpose of imbibition. Clear, children? If we are talking about water potential gradient, then we already know that seed is already dry, but it has some amount of water in it, and because of that only a seed is alive. Clear? That's why easy movement of water from the outer surface to the seeds take place. Clear? Now we will discuss about diffusion. Diffusion is the free movement of molecules of a substance. It may be solute or solvent, gas or liquid, from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration when the two are in a direct contact. Clear, children? Diffusion is the free movement of molecules of a substance, solute or solvent, gas, liquid, from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration when the two are in a direct contact. Let's try to understand diffusion process by this activity. We can see that when we place crystal of potassium permanganate in a beaker containing water, then it slowly dissolves and spreads in the liquid. You can see the molecules of this substance are diffused or distributed uniformly throughout the water. Is it clear, children? Let's see how the definition of diffusion applies in this case. The molecules of the potassium permanganate are more crowded at this place. These molecules move away farther and farther in the regions where they are fewer or absent, or we can say that where it is less concentrated. This movement continues until the molecules are uniformly distributed and we get a homogeneous solution.